Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to check something off my list that I've been meaning to do for 4 years. Headers, no cats. More power, baby. They're Evosport, which apparently is no longer in existence. That could be a good or bad thing. We have Wookiees coming up in April, and I figured why not a better time than prepare our 12.5-hour car journey by adding more work to my plate. So this will be step one. I want to do the headers. I also picked up a, where'd you go? Oh, Supersprint section 2. The reason why I bought this was, anyone who is familiar with E46s, these flanges on majority of E46s are prone to breaking. They rust and they snap in half and they suck. These on my car are broken, so I've always had a very slight exhaust leak. So I figured why not just buy an entirely new exhaust. I like that it's resonated. I try to eliminate as much rasp as possible because I am not for the rasp gang. So let's see.
So what exactly do you want out of this exhaust?
You want an honest answer?
I do.
I really just want like a pop on an upshift. I want to go. That's really it. That's all I want. I saw in an old build journal YouTube video from years ago that a similar setup to what I'm going for now, and it sounded really, really good. So I'm aiming for that. I don't want pops and bangs, but I want a little something. I just don't know what that is, so hopefully we find that together. Focus! Focus on her side. First try. Video over. We're done. So the headers are finally out. Wasn't bad. It was just, it's tight. It's tight. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass. But we're done now. I'm pretty happy with the progress today. I'll get back to this thing tomorrow. Clean up on it. Can I get through this, please? I don't need to try and be creative. I am creative, okay?
You are the creator.
Thank you. Take your camera back and quit your job, because I'm really tired of doing this. I can't do everything, God. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys tomorrow. Look who decided to visit. What did you show up for? Content. Finally got the studs in. They fit very, very tight.
Right here, you forgot one stud, Danny.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Oh.
He's right there.
Hey, such a nice guy. Probably good.
$20.
It's not schlop, it's schmutz.
Oh, you're right. This is schmutz.
That's the schmutz. You got the schmutz.
Headers are in.
Section 1 is in. I have to say, I am ecstatic on the fitment of this thing.
Let's start this bitch up.
Okay. I like it. Well, everybody, thank you very much. Yeah, we're done here. Like, comment, subscribe, do the whole thing. You know, we'll see you next time.